Yeah?
Yep.
Give him a scoop.
What's this?
You could probably give him a bigger bite than that. You can give him bigger bites than that, Donovan. There you go. That's a perfect size bite. Come on, give him another bite. Like, actually give him some. Don't just give him like a hint of applesauce. Give him a bite. What do you think, Sid? What do you think, Donovan?
Good.
Does he like it?
Yep. Video camera is over.
I think he's still hungry. Do you want me to take over?
What?
Do you want me to take over?
Yep.
Okay.